Good morning, yogis. Welcome to day 1 of 5-minute morning yoga challenge. Today we will do a simple practice to wake up the spine. So find a comfortable seated position. You can sit on your heels or sit in an easy cross-legged pose. I like to sit on the blanket in cross-legged pose to elevate my hips a little bit. It just feels better in the morning when the body is still stiff after the sleep. When you find your position, place your hands on your knees, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths in and out through the nose. Big inhale through the nose and long exhale through the nose. Gently open your eyes. Inhale, lift your chest up, arching the back, look up. Exhale, lean back, round the spine. Inhale, lift the chest up. Exhale, round the spine. Continue with your breath. It's just a seated variation of cat and cow stretch. Great exercise to warm up and stretch the spine. And come back to neutral spine. With your next inhale, start making circles with your torso, leaning over your legs and then leaning back. Very intuitively, just move as your body feels. And change the side, 3 circles in another direction. Keep breathing in and out through the nose. And then come back to a neutral spine. Switch the position of your legs if you are in cross-legged pose. Place your right fingertips on the floor. Inhale, raise the left arm, stretch through the left side and bend to the right with exhale. Breathe in deeply into the left side, creating a big stretch on the left side of the torso. And come back to center, switch sides. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, bend to the left. Big stretch on the right side of the body. Inhale, come back to center. Position your left hand on the right knee, right hand behind. With inhale, lengthen the spine. And with exhale, twist to the right for a gentle spinal twist. Come back to center with inhale and switch sides. Right hand on the left knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist to the left. Come back to center, and for our last pose, extend your legs on the mat in front of you. Just shake them out a little bit. Then flex your feet so that the toes are pointing upwards. With inhale, lift the chest up. With exhale, bend over your legs until you feel a gentle stretch on the back of the legs, maybe also on your lower back. Remember your breath, in and out through the nose. Slowly lift your torso up Cross your legs again. Hands together in front of your chest. Close your eyes. And thank yourself for showing up on the mat today, for taking a little time for your morning yoga practice. Open your eyes, put a big smile on your face, and have a nice day. I will see you tomorrow. Bye!